So finally I got this Canon M50 in my hand now. Now this is really, well, this is a white color, and well, there's a black color. I prefer the black color. This white color is a bit like glossy white. Now it looks similar to the M6 with the viewfinder. It's still got a flip screen and touch screen as well. Of course, it's a Canon. Well, now this is important as well. This is not like flip down or flip up. This flip to the side. Finally, now of course the big news about this is finally it shoots 4K, 24p. But don't be so excited yet because it got a 1.5 crop. 1.5 crop, it doesn't sound much, but it's on top of APS-C 1.6 crop. So in turn, it is 2.4 crop. It's a crop that more than Micro Four Thirds. Especially for this camera, the widest lens is the 11 to 22 millimeters. So it round up. You don't really get wide angle. But hope it's not all lost. It got new things. Dual pixel AF, well, it's not new, but it got 99 points of that. And if you put in some of the newer lens, it got a total of 143 points. Doesn't work with 4K. Too bad. Still, hope it's not all lost. 10 FPS continuous shooting. Let me try that out. Oh, it's all in Japanese. Ooh. Oh, this is good. Look at that. Oh, 10 FPS. Another thing, it got a kind of a electronic stabilizer IS, and then it got an in-body gyro. The in-body gyro actually works with the lens IS. So that is the Canon M50. It's just, oh, so much mixed feeling. They finally changed something to the right direction. I'm not just talking about 4K. I'm talking about the screen that actually flip to the side, not on the top that you can't put a mic on, or on the bottom, which is pretty weird, and you can't use tripod. And then of course they finally add 4K. It's just not a really useful 4K. But don't forget that if you don't need 4K, this is a brilliant camera. I have said that many times that if you don't need 4K, Canon EOS M is a great camera for still photo, especially for like taking YouTube video, vlogger. Brilliant. I can understand some people's frustration about and then maybe angry about Canon, but I hope this proves that they are going to the right direction. Well, maybe not the right direction, but the direction that everyone wants.